Welcome to today's session. Today's session builds on last week's speed work. For this session, you're going to need a rugby pitch, football pitch, hockey pitch, or just a couple of sets of cones. Much like last week, we've been working at high speed, but this week we're going to introduce some change of direction drills. So to that end, the session is going to encompass 6 lots of 5-metre sprints, short and sharp, requiring us to turn lots of times in a short period of time. At the end of those 6 reps, you're then going to perform a 20-metre sprint, you're going to turn around, walk back, and then you're going to have a 1-minute rest. You're going to do this for 12 reps in total. Good luck. Great session everybody, well done. As always, we recommend you undertake a thorough cool down by following the cool down video, take on some good food and drink afterwards, and if you need more advice on nutrition, then we provided loads of guidance throughout the series with dietitian Ali Booker. Good luck for the rest of the programme and have a good rest of your day.